It is a Monday afternoon, evening at the moment. It's like 5 o'clock. I just got back from school, had my shower. And this week is a tough week because I just had COVID two days ago, and I've got quite a bit of work to catch up on because I'm going to school for 3 days. So I've got 3 days work to catch up on, and this is basically my to-do list. Yeah, it's a lot. So I need to get a lot of this stuff done tonight. It's gonna take forever. So here's a bit of context about the essays that I need to do. So the one that I'm working on now is my English language one, which I did do, but then it wasn't that great because I had COVID, and I'm just trying to do a bit more because it's 1,000 words, but I just don't think it's good. So I've got all of my notes here on my iPad, and I've got the essay up, and oh my god, you don't even understand. I just hate like proofreading essays because I don't know, it's so annoying, and then it's just so hard to edit. I just don't know if that's just me. And then I've got Latin ones, and it just gets worse. Okay, well, the English essay is finally done. It's 1,400 words. I hope that's okay. It will be okay because, yeah, I'm sure it will be. But it's just the content that I'm worried about. In my Latin essay that I did, like a couple of weeks ago, I got 9 out of 15. And that is not great because, yeah, that's just not that good. So I really need to fix up my Latin essay. So I'm gonna do another one. Right, so it's still Monday. I've done my essays, and I don't know, they're like, I don't know, I'll show them to you. This is what they look like. Give me a second. Like, I don't know if I've done it right, if I've done it wrong. This is meant to be a 15 marker. These are just meant to be questions. I think I've done too little for this question. I don't even know. I've just arrived at school. I'm so tired. It's 7:30 in the morning. I'm just gonna make sure no one's watching me because it's a bit, yeah. I'm literally so tired, so I'm gonna get a bit of work done in the morning. Sorry, but who doesn't appreciate a model walk entrance into the school? But this is the Medburn Centre where the cafe is located. It's like 7 in the morning or somewhere near there, so there's not many people around. It is actually so cool. My school has this cafe. I'm currently working in it right now. I'm currently at the lounge because the tables and desks aren't sorted. I'm getting a bit of ANKI done just because I need to memorize all of this vocab and terminology. So today I have English and Latin, and then like a EPQ period, and I've also got 2 frees, and 2 frees I need to get a lot of work done. This is the cafe. Oh my god, it's so amazing, and I love working here. I think at the moment I'm doing ANKI, just going through all of my flashcards for Latin. You don't even understand how hard Latin vocab is because there's no like set vocab list, which is so annoying. So that means I have to learn every single word. Ugh. And now it's time to order a mint frappe, whatever you call it. I try and get something every morning just to refresh me, but it's so good. Sorry, but I'm expected to be able to translate this. This is so hard. I don't even understand how I'm going to be able to do this in a year's time. So we have our lessons now, well, form time, and then our lessons.
What is this YouTube video?
A week in the life of 6th form. It is around 8:40 AM now, and me and my friend are just heading to form time, which should have started now, but we're late. I'm so tired right now, and this is my friend in form. It is now break time, so I'm obviously getting a waffle, something that my school offers, which is so nice of them. The waffle tastes so good, you don't even understand. And now I have to do some work in the library because, you know, work is all my life, and I'm just so drained from work. 6th form is literally sucking the life out of me. Okay, I've currently got a French play rehearsal now because I've got a French play to do tomorrow in front of like a big crowd, and I don't know, I'm a bit scared.
You on hamster?
Yeah.
You're not doing it.
No, I have to go.
Yeah, but you could just use that as.
Dites-moi d'appeler cheval.
Dis-oui, Pierre, pense à Christine, il faut la tirer de là.
Allez,
dis-lui
allez.
d'appeler
Wait,
cheval.
pause. We should just like talk.
D'abord, to match the foot.
Arrangez vos allez, tu vas s'arranger. Et j'ai collé le numéro par cœur.
Et mettez-le.
French pre-rehearsals have just finished. Now I'm heading to the girls' campus because we have our EPQ thingy, and then I've got double Latin over there, which is going to be long, but I'm actually terrified for my French play tomorrow. Can we just appreciate the weather today? Like, it is so good. Oh my god, Tuesday is over and this has actually been the worst day literally of sixth form. Like, this week is completely terrible, and why have I decided to film this week out of them all? Because it's literally the worst week I can ever record. And I just did a Latin test and it was like a surprise translation and I completely effed up. Like, I've literally never seen anything like that test. It might just be because my brain's dead because this week is horrible, but I'm struggling to see how I even might have gotten 50% in that test. You're seeing the worst weeks of my sixth form life literally here. Yeah, because this test has gone horribly. I might just change the title of the video to the worst sixth form week of my life. I've just got to school. It's a Wednesday morning. I've got my breakfast, my hash browns and beans, something I try to get every day because I'm just so hungry. I'm hoping today's better because I've got the French play today and I am praying I don't forget the lines. I've just gotten myself some hash browns and beans, something again that my school serves every morning. I don't normally have breakfast at home because I don't know, I wake up so late now. I used to wake up at 6, but now I wake up at like 7:01.
I just have one question. Why do you, when you say your lines, it just normally, why do you say, c'est pas perdu, écoutez-le, you make it so dramatic for no reason?
But that's who says everything dramatically.
So we are on our way to the French play thingy, and I'm wearing my wig. They're not dressed up because, yeah, I'm the one that's more confident, obviously.
Not necessarily adults, not girls.
We're at school.
Rien, parce que si jamais ils ont besoin de... Tu vois, il faut pas que ça se voit. Donc je préfère que ce soit...
Hypocrite, je ne joue pas avec un trait. Il ne faut pas.
Oh my god, the standard of these plays are so high. I don't know how we're gonna win something. So we've done our play, everyone.
It went well.
Yeah,
it went
I
well.
think I forgot a line. Not a
No,
line,
you
like
didn't.
like
You
a
didn't.
word.
Maybe a word, I don't know.
But it went fine. It is Thursday morning and I'm so tired from that French play. I got home at like 10 and went to sleep at like 11. So now I've got quite a few free periods today because my teachers aren't here, which is good, but also not good because I've just got so much more work this week. My first lesson is Latin literature and we're doing Catullus right now. Don't know if you've done Latin, but it's so hard. It's like it gets so hard at A level. It's just unbearable, but I love it so much. It's so fun. As you might know, I have Latin at the girls' school, so basically I have to walk all the way from the girls' school back to the boys' school, which is over here. The path is so nice and it looks so good, but basically I've got more frees today, so I'm going to be in the library doing a lot of work because I've got quite a bit to catch up on. I'm now in English, which has been cancelled, thank God, because I've got so much work to do. I'm sorry if any English teachers are watching this, including Wheeler, but yeah, at least it's cover work, so I can just do that in the library. But we're just waiting in the room to see if anyone else comes to drop any work, because at the moment there's been no work set. Yeah, that's it, and then freeze this whole afternoon so I can get done everything.
Hi.
Hello. I am. So I've done a lot of work and I'm actually really happy. So that means I don't have much to do tonight, and that's the end of Thursday. Woo!
Good morning, everyone. It's Monday of next week. And guess what? COVID struck me again. From last week, I had COVID. Negative the next week. I have COVID again. What is this? Like, what is this? Now I have to miss another 5 days of school, online school, and just have to catch up on all of these assignments. I'm like, okay, well, at least I can get it done. But not fair. But thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't get COVID like me. Have a great day. Bye.